Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a full get ready with me. Valentine's Day is tomorrow, so I had to get this video out for you guys. So we're gonna get into the hair, the makeup, and the outfit, and the fragrance. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Alright, so I'm gonna begin filling in my brows with the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this is in the shade Ebony. And then I'm going to take my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NW35 and I'm going to carve out my brows. So then I'm going to take this Real Techniques angle brush and just blend out the concealer. So now I'm going to move on to the face, and I'm going to be using my Milk Hydro Grip Primer to prime. And I'm starting to like doing my face first because I feel like I get my makeup done so much more faster than if I did my eyes first, because you know I be spending too much time doing my eyes, like making sure I be blending and everything. So I don't know, I just feel like I get my makeup done a lot faster this way. Then for foundation, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way Matte 24-Hour Foundation. And I'm also going to put a little bit on my eyes to act like a primer. Then for concealer, I'm going to take the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer in the shade 3.6. And I'm going to conceal underneath my eyes, my chin, and my Cupid's bow. And I'm just going to use a little bit because this stuff is so thick that you don't need a whole lot. And I'm going to take my Real Techniques sponge and blend it out. Then I'm going to take the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder in the shade Honey. And I'm going to use that to set. And I freaking love this powder. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder. Then for bronzer, I'm going to use my MAC MSF in the shade Sun Power. Then to contour, I'm going to use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. And I'm going to mix all three of the bottom row shades. I haven't contoured in so long that I'm actually like really nervous. Alright, I think that's good enough. Okay, so now we're going to move on to blush, and I'm going to be using Melba from MAC. Then to highlight, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going to use this shade right here called Drippin' in Gold. And I'm not going to do too much because lately I just haven't been liking highlight like that. but I like this one because I feel like it's so like subtle. So just gonna dab a little bit of this. So I want to keep this look super simple. So from my crease shade, I'm going to take Caramel from ABH, and this is going to be my transition color. Then I'm taking Red Earth, also from Anastasia, and I'm applying that directly in my crease. And I'm focusing it on the outer portion because I kind of wanted to have like a little bit of a smoky look, and I also want to give my crease some more definition. So now I'm going to go in with my Morphe. This is a 35B palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. And I'm going to apply that all over my lid. I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline with the MAC eye pencil in the color Costa Riche, which is just a brown liner. So after I'm done tearing, then I'm gonna go back in with Red Earth, and I'm gonna like smudge it along my lower lash line. And I'm not gonna bring it all the way like to the inner corner. I'm just gonna keep it on the outer portion of my eye. So then for mascara, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm going to coat my bottom lashes. So for my lip combo, I line my lips with Cork from MAC. And I'm wearing the lipstick in Honey Love. And then I topped it off with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. So now onto the hair. I'm just going to wear it straight, like I always do, nothing new. I just don't really feel like curling it, so I'm just gonna run a flat iron through it just a little bit, just to make it a bit more straight. So if you were wondering, I'm wearing a 6x6 closure wig from Asteria Hair. This is in 20 inches, and this is their straight texture. I really like their wigs. They're affordable, they last long, and the hair is really good quality. We love that. So I'm gonna take this is the Baby Bliss Nano Titanium Flat Iron, and I'm just going to flat iron my hair. So I finished straightening the hair, and I love Asteria Hair wigs. I've never had an issue with ordering from them. The hair is always really nice quality, and it's super straight and silky. And yeah, the hair is just really nice. So I will have all the links to the wig in the description if you are interested. So now we're gonna get into the outfit. Alright, so this is the fit with the coat, and then I'm gonna show y'all without the coat. Alright, so here is my outfit. So my dress is from Fashion Nova. It's just this red ruched material, and my bag is also from Fashion Nova. It's this red like animal print. I guess if you call it like snake skin or alligator or crocodile kind of print. I don't know, but I thought it was cute. And then I have on these plain black heels from DSW. So then for my jewelry, I just kept it really simple. I have on these diamond earrings that I got as a gift for my birthday. And then my necklace is from the Milana B collection. My tennis bracelet is from Amazon, as well as my rings. And I just have 2 separate that I just stacked on top of each other. Y'all like my nails? So yeah, that is it for this Valentine's Day fit. Really like it. So yeah. So for fragrance, I'm wearing Gucci Bamboo. And this is a really great perfume for the evening time. It just smells like a sexy grown woman, and it lasts a really long time without being too strong and overbearing. And I'm pretty sure every female will love this, and so will your man. Alright you guys, so that wraps it up for this full get ready with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what other videos you guys would like to see, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.